Welcome to the 17-mile marker of the main lake. Check out this incredible view from this top floor unit at Cape Royale. I'm going to give you a little piece of history. Cape Royale sits on the grounds where the old ski show used to be, my friends. Welcome to the ski show. Let's check it out. This unit has so many incredible updates and features I don't want you to miss, including the top floor, so it has a vaulted ceiling. These folks have spent $45,000 redoing this, from the flooring to the wall where the fireplace is. They replaced the fireplace, they've added the built-ins, they've painted and added new light fixtures. They redid the entire kitchen. The only thing they left were the cabinets, the appliances, the flooring, the lighting, the quartz countertops. Everything has been replaced and it's brand new. Don't miss the huge walk-in pantry also. Don't want you to miss this incredibly redone master bathroom as well. From the floors to the countertops to the cabinets to the shower, it's all been redone. These units are a little over 1,600 square feet and they are 3-bed, 3-bath, so every bedroom has a bathroom. Cape Royale is gated and doesn't allow nightly rentals, so you have a small, quiet complex with shared amenities that aren't overcrowded. This unit comes with a 36-foot boat slip, the furniture, and a garage is optional. For more information or book a private showing on this amazing listing, contact Krantz & Associates, 573-302-2355.